Hi, my name is Diana Wetzel. I am the lead designer here at Jasmine's Garden, and today I'll be showing you how to make a traditional wedding bouquet here for a bride. And today I'll be using tools here. I will be using clippers, scissors, pipe cleaner, a satin white ribbon to tie the bouquet. So the first thing I like to start is the center point, which would be the rose. And then around the rose, I'll be adding in a little bit of the white lisanthius. And on the sides, I like to add in the white hydrangeas and a little bit more of the white lisanthius here on the edges. And once I have finished setting up my flowers, then it's time to add the ruscus greens. And from there, I would be using them all around the bouquet to make a round shape that you can see here. So once I secure the bouquet with the ruscus, I will be using a pipe cleaner, and the pipe cleaner will be wrapped around the bouquet to make sure that it's tightly secured. Then from there, I'll be using a white satin ribbon to give it that traditional look. And from there, I would be tying that on the top of the bouquet, and I will finish up the ribbon with a nice cut of an angle, and it gives it that nice traditional look here. I'm Diana Wetzel from Jasmine's Garden, and this is how you make a traditional wedding bouquet.